If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Varo Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully halted. Step 1. Open the Varo Bank app. Launch the Varo Bank app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be clearly marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction, including options for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel transfer, similar wording. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, consider reaching out to Varo Bank's customer support for assistance.